Students, it's nice to greet you again. In this video, I am going to continue with the other lesson from Unit 10. This is the lesson 10C, and in this lesson, we are going to see similar things according to the last lesson 10B. Okay, so I'm going to start with the preview of this lesson. In the preview, remember that in the lesson 10B, we learn about how to make plans for the future. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn about how to predict things in the future. Okay, so let's continue with the definition about prediction. What a prediction is. Okay, predictions are things or situations that will happen in base of two things. Things that we see, okay? For example, if you go out from your house and you see the sky and you see that there are a lot of clouds in the sky, you can predict something. You can predict that it's going to rain, okay? Because this is something of the things that happen when there are a lot of clouds in the sky. Okay. Another thing that you can, another formula that you can predict is in base of what we know previously. For example, if you are a fan sport, and for example, you can predict that your favorite team is a good team, they are playing very well all the games, you can predict in base what you know they are going to win the game. Okay, so these are some examples about predictions in the future. Okay, let's continue. Okay, to form predictions in the future, you have to use some elements to form the structure. Now I will show you these elements. Okay, how this works. At the beginning of this video, I said that this lesson is similar to lesson 10B. Okay, why I said this? Because we are going to use the same structure: be, going to, and verbs, infinitive verbs. Okay, so this is not difficult because we are going to use the same structure. Okay, so we are going to move to the application of this structure to predict things. Okay, so we are going to see in these examples. Okay, example 1, a positive sentence: I am going to buy a car. If you have enough money to buy a car because you save money, you are going to buy a car, or I am going to buy a car because you have money. Okay, so this is important. You have sure that you are going to do that. Okay, another example: a positive sentence with a singular subject, for like this: Kevin is going to study abroad. Okay, this is a prediction. Why? Because maybe Kevin he has already made this decision and he has an opportunity to study in other country, in other school, in other university. Okay, let's see a negative sentence. For example, we aren't going to travel. Maybe you want to go on vacations, but this time you don't have enough time, or you don't have vacations in your work, or you don't have money, okay, to go out. So this time you can say we aren't going to travel. Okay, this is another prediction. Okay, so let's see a question about predictions. Is Lisa going to marry? So if you know Lisa, and you know that Lisa has a boyfriend or fiance, and maybe you can ask, is Lisa going to marry? ¿Se va a casar Lisa? Okay, so this is another prediction. Well, in this case, it's not necessarily a prediction, it's just a question. Okay, so we almost finished this lesson. And before to finish, I just want to remind, don't forget, for both ways to predictions and for plans in the future, you are going to use be, you are going to use going to, and simple verbs. Okay? I just want to tell you, if you need more information, if you have questions or you have doubts about this lesson, grammar lessons, and you don't know what to do in the activities, you can contact me in my email. You can see my email address, or also you can contact me by Skype. This is my username. You can see Gus. And if you want to do it by email, you can see this is my username, Gus, and this is my logo. You can look for me with this username and this logo. Okay? And thanks for watching, people. See you in the next video.